In this test, we'll focus on the domain of functions that don't contain a square root or fraction. And for this, we try to set the domain of the following functions. But before you start, remember, if the function doesn't contain a square root or fraction, then it's defined on R. That means it's defined from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now try to find the domain of the first case. Note that the function f doesn't contain a square root or fraction, and therefore it's defined on R. So the domain of f is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now go ahead and try to find the domain of the second case. Note that the function g also doesn't contain a square root or fraction, and therefore it's also defined on R. So the domain of g is from negative infinity to positive infinity. Now try to find the domain of the last one. No square root, no fraction, so h is defined on R, and the domain of h is from negative infinity to positive infinity.